How to create wedding invitation card on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create wedding invitation card in less than 1 minute on Microsoft Word. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top and click on the cards option right here. After you click on cards, you will find many options here. Now all what you have to do is go to category right here and search for wedding, and here is it. Now click on the wedding option and until it takes you to this page. Now as you can see here, you have those templates. Click on the one that you like. I like this one. Click on it and click create. Now you can change the name here. For example, I'm gonna add Jacob and Maria, for example, and you can change also here the date. It's very easy to change, and after you finish, click on the save here and it will be saved easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.